Welcome back. Now it's fairly obvious that you can begin typing as soon as you use Microsoft Word. However, there are certain aspects of each menu that are going to be helpful to you. We're going to go to this left side area. We're going to click File, and you're going to find that this is going to open up to you. Now you're going to find that you're going to have documents that you've worked with in chronological order, but one thing that you can do in this file area is that you can pin documents that you work with often. And so all you need to do is to find the document that you want to pin. You're going to hover over that document, and then you're going to see a pin on the right hand side. You can click that pin. That's going to make that document come to the top, and then you're going to have access to it until you decide to unpin it. You can do the same thing with the Folders tab. You can come over, hover over the folder, and then you can click this pin. That's going to pin that folder to the top, and you'll be able to use it whenever you come to this file area. Now the other areas of your file menu are going to be familiar to you. You have saving commands here. You can save your document as a PDF, and you can print your document and customize your print settings here in this link. Within the print menu, you have access to the page setup, where you can click this link and you can set your page layout. You also have the share command. Now the share command gives you the ability to share your document with other individuals so that you can collaborate on it. So in this case, you're going to click this link, you're going to save it to your cloud drive, and then designate the individuals that are going to be working with the document along with you. You can also present the document online. If you click this link, if you use Office 365, you can use Skype for Business to present your document, or you can use the Office Presentation Service, which is a free public service. If you click this link, you're going to see that there's no setup. A link is going to be created to share with other people. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this box. You're then going to click Present Online. Word will then give you a link that you can share with others, and then you can start your presentation. And all you'll need to do is then click this button that says Start Presentation. You will then be presenting the document to other individuals that have the link, and then once you've completed your presentation, you can click this button that says End Online Presentation. If you want to send invitations to other people so they'll be able to see what you're doing, you can click this button that says Send Invitations. That will give you the opportunity to send the link to other people. And once you click the End Online Presentation, you'll see that other people will be disconnected. If you continue, you're then going to click End Online Presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.